What's up, everyone? How you guys doing today? It's Jeremiah Davis, the funding coach, coming to you with the Monday Fun Day. And today I am going to be talking about the 15 business credit bureaus you should know. Did you know there was 15 business credit bureaus? Do you know what they are? You know what they provide? You know why you need to know them? Well, I'm going to tell you, okay? I got a presentation slideshow that I am going to share with you guys. My lighting looks a little off. There we go. And hopefully this will help you guys. Knowledge is power, and the more knowledge you have about business credit and business funding, the more clients you can service and grow your business. Okay, so there's a lot about business credit and business funding that people don't know or don't teach, or they just don't have no idea about what it is. So without further ado, let me share my screen and go right into the 15 business credit bureaus you should know about. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we are, 15 business credit reporting agencies you should know about. All right. Okay, so here's a list of the first 8. I'm going to go down each one of these, and we're going to talk about who they are and who needs them, or who, when you want to direct your clients, you're going to make sure they have a business credit profile set up with the right entity. So let's go ahead. We have these. Some of these you might have seen or heard of, some you might not have. Okay, so what to build a business credit identity for your business? You may know about the 3 major business credit bureaus, reporting agencies: D&B, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, and Equifax Small Business. But did you know there are other business credit agencies out there that provide business credit reports for your company that is used to decide if you're eligible for business credit, business loans, lines of credit, leasing, and other financial products? In today's posting, sorry. We're going to list the 15 business reporting agencies you should know about. Each of these agencies will see millions of updates on the accounts and activities of your business, of businesses like yours. Now, remember, there are many credit reporting agencies on both the consumer and business side. Sonona, okay, was founded in 2006 by Anthony Kissinger, Kinglinger, all right, successful businessman, as the owner of a national asset-based company. Since then, this company has been growing steadily in the business credit reporting space. The company offers a wide range of business credit reporting tools and reports, such as construction credit reports, the National Association of Electrical Distributors has built an industry-specific report with Insignia called the Insignia Electrical Distribution Credit Report. These reports show the companies that pay electrical distributors. As you can see, the types of report would allow electrical distribution companies to assess how a business pays their electrical distributors. They do not buy or sell data. Okay. but they do carry all types of business, and they do have a small mom and pop operations, Fortune 500 companies. Today's company global database has daily updates of 25 million account activities, over 700 billion in trade accounts, um, receivable data, and over 7 million businesses covered in over 140 industries. So, depending on the type of industry you're in or your client is in, this might be something you need to look into and having them set up a business credit profile if they're trying to grow their business and be more credible. When you do these things, it makes the business, your business or your client's business, more credible. Knowing about these entities can mean the difference between success and failure. Okay, Cortera Credit Exchange. Cortera's a database that started over 20 years ago, specialized in transportation industry. Since then, it's grown to be a major player in the business credit reporting industry, capturing the B2B transactions of over 10 million businesses and 1.3 trillion in annual spending. What's unique about this agency is its industry specific insights. Cortera business reports tell you what companies buy and how they pay companies like yours. Its scoring model combines payment history with purchase behavior insight. Not only do transportation companies share payment data with Cortera, now payment data comes from companies across all types of industries, companies such as Xerox, uh, Comdata, Ryder, uh, Electrolux, H&E Equipment, Interstate, Jacobs Energy, LG Electronics USA use Cortera for their credit data and credit decision making process. So another one that you might want to look into for you or for your clients. Credit.net. For more than 45 years, Credit.net has been providing business credit reports containing a database of over more than 15.5 million U.S. and Canadian bases, including privately owned, small, and hard to find companies. To locate your business, check out the 7-day trial with no credit card required. You can access a free report once you're logged into your account. Okay. Credit Safe. Credit Safe, most of us know about. Credit Safe contains a database of over 240 million businesses worldwide. They collect and analyze how millions of invoices are paid daily by businesses from over 85 million trade lines worldwide. Companies such as Strategic Network Solutions, Volvo, Hitachi, BMW, Vitacom, Panasonic, Nestle, Network Rail use Credit Safe for their credit data and credit decision-making process. To locate your business, check out the free trial with no credit card required. You can search for your business once you've logged into your account. D&B, Dun& Bradstreet, is one of the major business credit reporting agencies you most likely have heard about. Over 23 million businesses in the United States and more than 225 million businesses worldwide have a D&B number and company credit file in D&B's database. Equifax Small Business is another one of the major three business credit reporting agencies in the industry. They provide business credit evaluations for over 22 million small businesses and corporations. Experian Commercial is a third major player in the business credit reporting space. Experian maintains credit information on approximately 25 million active U.S. Businesses. Its business credit report combines information from sources including actual trade payment experience submitted by payees, public record information, collection information, company background, competitive data, comparable data placing a company's payment history performance to in context with its industry. So wide. And we use, hold on. I tell people to get um, Experian, Equifax, DNB, and CreditSafe. Okay. But FICO Small Business Scoring Service Solutions, the SBSS, was launched in 1993 and was designed to evaluate the repayment risk of small business. Financial institutions use this score and report as part of their underwriting process. It helps them approve or deny a credit application, as well as determine credit limits and repayment terms. The score itself is based upon the personal and business credit history, other financial information, a strong history of business credit with timely payments to vendors and suppliers may help raise your SBSS score. The FICO SBS score is used by over 7,500 lenders nationwide in America, all right, to help them make lending decisions. Major banks that use the score include KeyBank, Huntington National Bank, PNC, RBC, US Bank, Zales Bank, HSBC, and Santander. All right, but there's 7,500 lenders in the United States that use this score primarily for business term loans and SBA loans. Okay, Global Credit Services. For over 18 years, Global Credit Services has been providing business-to-business credit information and risk management solutions. They provide a wide variety of business reports, such as trade insight reports. For example, the Payment Portfolio or Payment Score report integrates thousands of trade data contributors and 20 million scored U.S. and Canadian companies to generate payment ratings and trends in trade payment data. This provides a powerful trade report card for our entire portfolio and individual companies. LexisNexis Risk Solutions. LexisNexis Small Business Risk Scoring. Over 400,000 public and private organizations use LexisNexis. This score is a simple 3-digit number that comes from the public record footprint of a business, the business owner, and or the people associated with the business. This predictive risk scoring provides lenders, banks, and suppliers an easy indicator of the risk and or profitability potential for a business. Even if the business does not have an established credit file with LexisNexis Small Business Risk Score, blends assets, derogatory data to generate a credit worthiness picture of both the business and the people associated with the business. Companies such as Commerce Bank and Trust Company, Hyundai Capital America, Fidelity National Corporations, and 1,402 other companies use LexisNexis. Lumbermen's. This agency has been around since 1915, providing credit information. Lumbermen specialize in providing construction credit reports, mercantile, commercial credit reports. And it's important to note that each of their reports also provides personal credit reports for the guarantor. Okay. All right. National Trade Credit Report is the go-to source for more than 15,000 businesses nationwide for credit information. The National Trade Credit Report provides users with trade lines derived from hundreds of NACM members across 1,000 industry reporting credit groups. The NACM members contribute and share their trade data, which becomes instantly accessible to other members worldwide. This information supplied by the trade reports of the NACM becomes a part of the business credit history and may be viewed by many members who consist of businesses, banks, leasing companies, service providers, transportation companies, advertising firms. PayNet. PayNet was founded back in 1999 and maintains a database of 22 million contracts worth more than 1.2 trillion in loans and leases from leading U.S. lenders, which is updated monthly. This business credit reporting agency supplies business credit reports and scores to banks and commercial financial institutions. Okay. CFAX. This business recording agency is the leading business credit report provider for the food service industry, and the food industry in the United States. The business credit reports have provided include a CFAX credit appraisal and risk index, historical payment data, bank and trade information, a complete business profile, principles, company history, financials, and income statements. Very powerful. If you got a restaurant or a food vendor, they need to have a business credit profile established with them. So when they are applying for trade lines for their industry, they are more likely to get approved. Tarnell, has been helping industrial materials and equipment suppliers understand their customers and prospect customers with business credit reports for 70 years. They are a premier provider of credit and business information solutions for the plastics industry. Currently, they monitor over 12,000 resin buyers. It's important to note that back in April 2012, both Sununa and Tarnell joined forces to provide unique product offerings. The move would combine Sununa's huge database of accounts, receivables with Tarnell's deep financial and operating insights into private North American manufacturing companies. The business credit report can show a great deal of information about the business and how it handles its financial obligations. It's critical to know that what data is being collected and reported about your business by business credit reporting agencies are such as these. Okay. Q&A. Okay, we'll go ahead and clear this out. Okay. So you guys just played a recording, but there was 15 business credit reporting agencies that you should know about. Now, here's the reason I want to do this, because in business credit, mostly we just focus on, Experian, Equifax, DNB, and CreditSafe. Now, those are the four main ones, and they're more of a broader scope of businesses, right? Not so much industry specific, but just businesses in general. So you definitely want to make sure you have business credit profile set up with those. But if you're in an industry specific, like contractor, electrical, things like that, food service, you want to make sure you have a business credit profile with those reporting agencies as well, because they're going to help you get the lines of credit that you need for your business, whatever industry you're in. And this is the thing I keep repeating, is business credit is not one and done. You don't just get it and then think you're going to get something else, right? And I say this often. People come to me and they have an 80 credit score, they got 10, 12, 15 trade lines, right? And then they're expecting to get $250,000 in cash. That is not happening, okay? That not without the business having substantial revenue, okay? The business needs to be making money. Okay, nobody's going to loan a business money that's not making money, all right? And then you need your personal credit, right? The SBSS score is a combination of your business credit and your personal credit, okay? For the SBA to get a loan, they want to see like a 160 to 170 of the SBSS score before they would approve you for an SBA loan. Okay, so knowing that type of information, know the qualification and requirements before you apply, all right, greatly increase your chances of getting approved. So that's the whole idea behind knowing the business credit bureaus for your industry, knowing which ones that you need to have a business credit profile. And as well, if you're going to be applying for trade lines, you want those trade lines to report to the agencies of the profiles you have. If you don't have a profile with them and you got the trade line by happenstance, because you're a new business, business or you didn't have any business credit, so you got to start with your net 30s or net 60 type of accounts, tier one type of accounts. You need to be able to you get those, utilize them, right? Pay those off, right? And it's recommended that you pay off your business credit trade lines at least 10 days before they're due, all right? And you maintain them, and it's important to get the ones that you need because you should use them every month. And here's the thing, right? If you can pay them off every month, great. All right. But more, what if you got this much cash, right? And no credit? So you got to use your cash to buy the products and you're not using business credit. Okay. But if you have business credit, you keep your cash and use the line of credit to buy the products and the services you need to sell to your customers, make more money, put it back on the cash pile. All right. And then pay this invoice off over time or later on down the road once you have more money coming in because you didn't come out of pocket for the products and services that you put on the credit. Okay, so that's the concept, and you want to repeat this ongoing through, your business. Why? It's because that's how you're going to get increases. That's how you're going to get larger lines of credit. Just like with a credit card, you give you a $5,000 limit, and you use it, and you maintain it, and you keep it responsible. Then you're going to give you, increase your limit. You're going to increase your limit to $15,000 or $20,000. Okay, this is what you need to do is you need to create comparable credit, right? Financial institutions are not going to give you a line of credit or a loan that exceeds whatever you have, right? They want to see comparable credit. Comparable credit means that you already have access to similar lines of credit or resources for the ones you're applying for, right? If you want a $50,000 line of credit from a bank, do you have other $50,000 in other credit that that other financial institutions have trusted you with? Okay. In the software, we show you in our client portal how to generate your comparable credit with secure CDs that convert into business lines of credit. Now, depending on your affordability, you can start one business secure CD with $1,000 or $5,000 or $25,000. But the more you can, because that's what is going to go on your business credit profile. And then when other financial institutions are looking at your business credit report, they say, oh, ABC Bank gave you a $25,000 line of credit. I'm going to give you a $25,000 line of credit or more. I'm going to give you a $30,000 line of credit because I want you to use my trade line over this other trade line. Well, not trade line, but line of credit. So the more of those you can get, the more comparable credit that you can build, which then turns into more things you can access, more funding products you can access, other lines of credit, other credit cards, other bank loans. Okay, that's the concept behind it, right? So when you walk into a Ford dealership, instead of saying I want to be one box truck on my business credit, one tow truck on my business credit, I want 3 tow trucks on my business credit. I want 4 box trucks. I want this tractor trailer. All right, in 6 months, I'm gonna come back, give me another tractor trailer, and hire somebody to drive that, and pay them and make more money. So you're constantly um, building your business credit to whatever how much do you want to grow your business, right? We all know that your business is not your personal credit is not designed to grow your business. Business credit is designed to grow your business. Get access to additional lines of credit as well as funding options. Okay, you need strong business credit with multiple 10 trade lines as soon as possible. And you need strong business finances, keeping good books, your business books, as well as you need good personal credit. You have all those three pieces to the puzzle. You're going to increase your fundability, your credibility with any lender or credit provider. So that's the concept. Why you need business credit? That's the why. You just start a business so you can work 12 hours a day, 16 hours a day, whatever. Excuse me, the case may be. Or did you start a business to add value to your community, leave an inheritance to your kids, or what have you? I mean, we start these businesses for a purpose. Okay, using business credit, building your business credit is helping you fulfill that purpose. Okay, you have to fulfill your purpose. I mean, that's the only way to do it. There's the only way to do it. Okay, So understanding how business credit works in conjunction with personal credit and your finances. So all these things work together in tandem to give you to leverage your business and grow your business to more than what you maybe possibly dreamed about. I don't know. All right, or you dream big and you're still struggling to get it to that point. I know I've been there. I've done that. All right, I'm still working on the process. Still working on the process. Okay, so I'm still learning. I'm still learning. Okay, so I don't know it all, but what I do know, I'm trying to give it to you guys as well as apply it to myself. Okay, so know these 15 business credit bureaus. If you need to get a business credit profile with them, a lot of them have the free 7-day trial to get your report. But if you're in a specific industry that you're going to be buying products and services for other people that supply that industry, you need to have the business credit bureau that's associated with that industry so you'll get more approvals. Okay? Listen, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, or I'll be dropping some more nuggets. Tonight at 7 o'clock, we are having the Bible study for entrepreneurs. Okay? It's called Mountain Movers because as an entrepreneur, you got to move mountains. And, I'm just going to be doing that Bible study once a week, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, and it'll be on my personal Facebook page as well as my personal YouTube channel. All right. My name is Jeremiah Davis. I'm the funding coach. Peace.